versus breaking and entering.
Who's Mr. Faceless?
Right here.
Ted. Where's Mr. Faceless? All right, so you have a vertical dual disc synthwave kit.
Yeah, there we are.
That's pretty impressive. And Nate, how old are you? 10. 10. Picking on a kid, are you, Mr. Faceless?
You know, I've been known to do so.
Doesn't end well for the adults, trust me.
I apologize in advance.
All right, so you have a robot called Tropical Storm. Do you have another robot named Hurricane? There is a hurricane in the bracket. Wouldn't that be funny if the Tropical Storm faced off against the hurricane? That would be funny.
Tomorrow's spot is.
All right, so your team is called Twingineering. There's somebody over there that looks just like you. You know how you can tell you're a twin? When you run into a full-length mirror because you know your twin will get out of your way? It's happened, I've seen it. So, yeah. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Are you ready?
Let's get it.
Audience, 1, 2, 3. Fire! Mobility check.
I'm down.
You're dead?
Yeah, now that I turned it off.
Can you move? No. You have no mobility. Neither one of you can move.
We're both dead.
Hold on. I'm a professional. We're gonna try this at home. Can you fix?
Probably.
How long does the match go? I can't actually hear the music, and I do need to hear the music because it's got a count in it. So just bring it up loud. They can hear it up there. Looks like. How long do you think that went? About what? 2 minutes? 2.5 minutes?
1 minute, 35 seconds.
That's how much it went? Wow, it seems longer than that. Unfortunately, because we have so many bots, we have to keep speed, so we're going to throw it to the judges.
Sounds good.
All right, judges.
Are both weapons found?
Does anything work? Does anything work?
Try your weapons.
I see it on a Twitch.
All right, let's do that. All right, so we're going to talk about some stuff.
It's
While we get ready over here,